Okay, before we start, just know this. Customer support isn't about fixing everything. It's about managing expectations. Let's take the first call. Thank you for calling customer support. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I'm calling about my order. It still hasn't arrived.
Okay, I'm really sorry about that. Let me take a look for you. Can I please have your order number?
I already gave it online, but one moment. Okay, it's 4592.
All right, thank you. One moment, please, while I pull that up. Okay, I have the order on my screen now.
Because I was told it would be here yesterday.
Yes, I see that here. I'm really sorry about the delay. I understand how frustrating that can be.
So where is it exactly?
Okay, according to the system, the package is still in transit.
You already said that. What does that actually mean?
I understand the confusion. What that means is the package hasn't arrived at the local delivery center yet.
So it's not even close.
It's still on the way, but I don't see it scanned locally yet. I'm really sorry about that.
That doesn't help me much.
I understand. One moment, please, while I check the tracking details a bit more closely. Thank you so much for waiting. I really appreciate your patience.
Okay.
So, it looks like there was a delay at one of the processing facilities.
A delay because of what?
Unfortunately, the notes don't give a specific reason. I'm really sorry about that.
So nobody knows why it's late.
I understand why it feels that way. The system just says processing delay.
That's very helpful. I took the day off work for this.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that. I truly apologize for the inconvenience.
I stayed home all day waiting.
I completely understand how frustrating that must be. I'm very sorry this happened.
So what am I supposed to do now?
Okay, let me see what options I have available for you. One moment, please. Thank you so much for waiting. I really appreciate your patience.
Yeah.
So, it looks like I can get you some compensation for the delay once the package actually arrives.
Once it arrives, that doesn't help me today.
I understand. I'm really sorry I don't have a faster option right now.
You keep saying sorry, but nothing changes.
I understand how that can feel. I truly wish I had more control over the delivery.
This is my first time ordering from your company.
I'm really sorry your first experience has been like this. That's not what we want for our customers.
Honestly, it makes me not want to order again.
I completely understand why you'd feel that way. I'm very sorry about the inconvenience.
Can you at least guarantee it comes tomorrow?
I can't guarantee it, but tomorrow is the estimated delivery date.
Estimated doesn't mean much anymore.
I understand. I really do. I'm sorry about the uncertainty.
Is there someone else I can talk to?
One moment, please, while I check supervisor availability. Thank you so much for waiting.
So?
At the moment, all supervisors are assisting other customers.
Of course they are.
I understand. I can still document your concern and add detailed notes to your account.
Another note?
Yes, it would be added for review. I understand it may not feel helpful.
Does anyone even read those?
They do review them during escalations, but I understand why it might not feel that way.
So what happens if it doesn't show up tomorrow?
If it doesn't arrive, you would be able to contact us again and we can review refund or replacement options.
So I just wait, again.
Yes, for now. And I'm really sorry about that.
This is really disappointing.
I understand. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
Can you send me some kind of update at least?
Yes, absolutely. I can request a delivery update notification for you. One moment, please. Okay, I've submitted that request.
When should I hear something?
You should receive an email later today or tomorrow morning.
And if I don't?
Then you can call us back and we'll check again for you.
I feel like I've been checking all week.
I understand how exhausting that can be. I'm really sorry.
You sound new.
Yes. This is actually my first day taking calls.
Oh, that explains a lot.
I understand. I'm still learning, but I'm truly doing my best to help.
All right, I guess it's really not your fault.
Thank you for understanding. I really appreciate that.
I'm just frustrated.
That's completely understandable. I'm very sorry about the situation.
So there's really nothing else you can do right now?
At this moment, no. I'm really sorry.
Fine.
Again, I apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I'll just wait and see.
Okay. Thank you so much for calling customer support. I hope the rest of your day goes a little better.
You too, I guess.
Goodbye. Okay, that was the first call. Same issue, different tone. Next call. Thank you for calling customer support. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi. I'm calling back about order of 4592.
Okay, one moment, please, while I pull that up. All right, I have the order on my screen.
Yeah, I spoke to you earlier today.
Yes, I see the previous notes here. Thank you for calling back.
Nothing has changed.
I understand. I'm really sorry about that.
I waited like you said, and now it's almost the end of the day.
Yes, I see that. I understand how frustrating that must be.
So is the package actually moving, or is it just stuck somewhere?
According to the system, it's still in transit between facilities.
That's the same thing you told me before.
I understand. I wish I had more detailed updates for you.
You don't even know where it is, do you?
I can see the last scan location, but I don't have real-time tracking beyond that.
So basically, nobody is touching it.
At this moment, it doesn't appear to be actively moving. I'm really sorry.
Wow, that's great.
I understand how upsetting that sounds.
Do you see how many times I've called today?
Yes, I do see multiple contacts on the account.
And every time I call, I get the same answers.
I understand, and I'm really sorry we don't have new updates yet.
Is there anything you can do differently than before?
I can review the case again and check for any internal notes or changes. One moment, please.
Okay.
Keyboarding typing. All right. Thank you so much for waiting.
Yeah?
At this time, there are no new updates in the system.
So I waited on hold for nothing.
I understand why it feels that way. I'm really sorry.
If this doesn't arrive tomorrow, what exactly happens?
If it doesn't arrive, you would be able to contact us again to request a refund or a replacement.
Request, not receive.
Yes, it would need to be reviewed and approved.
Everything needs approval.
I understand. I wish it were faster.
I need this order for work.
I understand how important that is.
No, you don't. But I know it's not your fault.
Thank you for saying that. I really appreciate it.
I'm just exhausted at this point.
I completely understand. I'm really sorry you're dealing with this.
Fine. I'll wait. Again.
Okay. I'm very sorry about the inconvenience. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No. I just hope this is the last call.
I understand. Thank you so much for calling. I hope tomorrow brings better news.
We'll see.
Goodbye. All right. The situation didn't change, but the pressure did. Next call. If this kind of real phone conversation helps you, let me know. I use your comments to decide the next videos. Thank you for calling customer support. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I want to speak to a supervisor.
Okay, I can definitely help with that. May I ask what the issue is?
I've called twice already today. Nothing has been fixed, and I'm done explaining.
I understand. I'm really sorry about the situation. Let me pull up your account first. One moment, please.
Fine.
Keyboard typing. Okay, I see the account now.
Good. Then you already know what this is about.
Yes, I see the previous notes regarding the delayed order.
Then explain to me why nobody can tell me where my package actually is.
I understand how frustrating that is. At this time, the tracking only shows it is between facilities.
That answer is unacceptable.
I understand why it feels that way. I truly do.
No, you keep saying that, but you're not the one losing money here.
I understand this is affecting you financially, and I'm really sorry about that.
Sorry doesn't fix it.
You're right. I know it doesn't.
So get me a supervisor now.
Okay, one moment please while I check supervisor availability.
Finally.
Call system beep. Waiting. Thank you for waiting.
So, are they there or not?
At the moment, all supervisors are assisting other customers.
You've got to be kidding me.
I understand how upsetting that is. I'm really sorry.
Every time there's a problem, there's suddenly no supervisor.
I understand why it feels that way.
What's the point of calling then?
I can still help by escalating the case internally and making sure your concern is clearly documented.
Documented. Another note.
Yes, I know that may not sound helpful right now.
Do supervisors even read those notes?
They do review them when handling escalations, but I understand why you might doubt that.
This order is critical for my business.
I understand how serious that is.
Then tell me why it feels like nobody cares.
I care, and I'm really sorry you're dealing with this.
Caring isn't enough.
You're right, I know it isn't.
So what exactly can you do right now?
Right now, I can submit an escalation request priority handling once it arrives locally, and make sure a supervisor reviews the case.
Once again, once it arrives.
Yes, I'm really sorry.
If this doesn't show up tomorrow, what happens?
If it doesn't arrive, you can contact us again and we can review refund or replacement options.
Review. Everything is a review.
I understand. I wish I could give you a definite answer.
You sound stressed.
I'm trying my best to help within the limits I have.
I get that, but this is still unacceptable.
I understand, and I'm really sorry.
So there's no supervisor, no solution, and no guarantee?
At this exact moment, no, and I'm truly sorry.
Unbelievable.
I understand your frustration. I really do.
Fine. Submit whatever you need to submit.
Okay, one moment, please. And... all right, the escalation has been submitted.
And now?
You should receive an update once the case is reviewed.
When?
It can take up to 24 hours.
I'll believe it when I see it.
I understand. I'm really sorry.
This has been a complete waste of time.
I'm very sorry you feel that way.
Yeah, whatever.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, just don't lose my case.
I understand. Thank you for calling customer support. I truly hope this gets resolved quickly.
We'll see.
Goodbye.
Okay, that call was escalated. Now let's see how it ends. Thank you for calling customer support. This is Sarah speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, yeah, it's me again. Order 4592?
Okay, one moment please while I pull that up. All right, I have the account here.
I got an email a few minutes ago, something about an escalation.
Yes, I see that here. Thank you for calling back. I'm glad you received the update.
So, what does it actually mean?
Okay, the escalation was reviewed by the internal team. They were able to locate the package and confirm its current status.
And?
It has arrived at the local delivery center.
So it's finally here?
Yes, it arrived earlier today.
Why did nobody tell me that earlier?
I understand why that's frustrating. The system updates can be delayed, and I'm really sorry about that.
Okay, so when do I actually get it?
According to the update, it's scheduled for delivery tomorrow.
Scheduled, not guaranteed?
That's correct. I can't guarantee it, but this is the most accurate update we have right now.
I've heard that before.
I understand. That's why I want to explain exactly what has changed this time.
Go ahead.
Now that it's at the local center, it's no longer between facilities. That means it's in the final delivery stage.
So there's at least a real chance?
Yes, there is.
All right, that's something.
I know it's not perfect, but it is progress.
What about the time I lost? I took a day off. I called multiple times.
I understand, and I really want to acknowledge that.
Acknowledging doesn't fix it.
You're right. So here's what I can do.
Okay.
Because of the delay and multiple contacts, I can issue a partial credit to your account.
A credit?
Yes, it won't undo the inconvenience, but it's something we can offer in this situation.
How much?
It would be a $20 credit.
That's not a lot.
I understand. I wish I could do more, but that's the maximum I'm authorized to apply.
Figures.
I want to be honest with you. I don't want to overpromise anything.
I actually appreciate that.
Thank you. Would you like me to apply the credit now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, one moment, please. All right, the credit has been applied to your account. So I'll see it where? It will appear on your next statement or be applied to your next purchase.
Okay.
You'll also receive an email confirmation shortly.
All right.
I know this experience has been frustrating, and I'm really sorry it went this way.
Yeah, I was pretty angry earlier.
That's completely understandable.
I guess you were just doing your job.
I appreciate you saying that. Thank you.
I still don't love the situation, but at least I know what's going on now.
That's exactly what I hoped for. Clarity, even if it's not perfect.
If it doesn't arrive tomorrow, what should I do?
If that happens, you can call us again, reference this escalation, and we can look at further options.
All right. I really hope I don't have to.
I hope so too.
You sound calmer now than earlier.
I try to stay calm so I can help as best as I can.
Well, thanks for sticking with this.
Of course. That's what I'm here for.
Okay, I'll wait one more day.
Thank you for your patience. I really hope tomorrow goes better.
Me too.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it.
All right. Thank you so much for calling customer support. I hope you have a better rest of your day.
You too.
Goodbye. That's how these calls usually end. Not perfect, just real. Thanks for listening.